Creating homemade burger patties is an art that rewards you with juicy delights. With a few simple ingredients and techniques, you can whip up scrumptious beef hamburger patties that tantalize your taste buds in no time. Begin with high-quality ground beef, ideally with at least 20% fat content. This fat ensures that your patties remain moist and flavorful during cooking. In a bowl, combine the ground beef with salt, pepper, and optional seasonings like garlic powder or smoked paprika for a personal touch. Gently avoid overmixing. Gentle handling keeps the patties slightly thicker and centers to create a small indentation in the center of each patty. Place these beautiful patties on a plate, ready to sizzle. Heat a grill or skillet over medium-high heat. Add a hint of oil to the surface to prevent sticking. Carefully place your formed patties onto the grill. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, creating a perfect crust. Avoid pressing down on the patties. After flipping the patties, consider adding a slice of cheese on top to melt into gooey perfection. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is perfectly melted and the patty reaches your desired doneness. While your patties are sizzling, around 160 degrees for medium. Toast your burger buns lightly for a warm, crunchy texture. Layer fresh toppings such as crispy lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and tangy pickles to add freshness and flavor. A creamy mayonnaise or a zesty BBQ sauce works wonders. Once your patties are ready, stack them between the toasted buns and garnish as desired. Each bite should be an explosion of flavors and textures. The juicy meat, the freshness of veggies, and the crunch of the bun, the art of coming together for the ultimate burger experience. Gather your friends and family. Enjoy each bite and celebrate your culinary skills with these super fast and tasty beef hamburger patties.